Yo, what is up guys? I am back at it again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Tomodachi Life for absolutely free. Now this is 100% legitimate, so you're not going to be downloading like a bootleg version or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to get a game key which will allow you to unlock the game for absolutely free. Now if you guys like to save money, be sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video as well. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to go to my internet browser. Now, usually if you want to purchase the game, you're going to have to go to the Nintendo website, and the game will cost you $60. Now, that's pretty expensive, but if you can't afford it, just go ahead and buy it. But I'm going to be showing you how to get this digital game key for absolutely free. So what you want to do is go to your internet browser, and we're going to go ahead and search for this website right here. It's going to be called handy and then coupons.org. There we are. Just go ahead and click search, and there we are. Once you're on the website, you will see this right here, Tomodachi Life, Living the Dream. This is a free game code for Nintendo Switch, so click this button right here, and it will tell you how many codes are still available. So there is a limited amount, so you want to go ahead and click this button right here, and it will basically check if there is a code still available for you. So yeah, there we are. It looks like there is a code still available, and it's not going to show you the code immediately. It's going to be partially blurred, so you need to click get full code, and you will be taken to this code unlocker. Now I've already received a code, so it won't let me do this again. You can only do this once per like mobile device, I'm pretty sure. So basically it's going to require you to complete a simple verification. I know it's kind of confusing, but I'll show you how to do it basically, but I don't think it's going to register on my end, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So click on the first one, click tap to install. It's going to give you instructions what to do. So it says tap on search app store, type in real money slots. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. So we need to click open, real money slots, and I've already installed the app, so it's right here. You just open it, and boom, it just verified me. So I've already done this, so I don't think it's gonna count or anything for the verification. Let's go ahead and go back and see where did the website go. There it is right there. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so I don't think it's registering it, but you need to complete 2 of them. Once you complete 2 of the verification codes, you can go back to the site, and then the full code will be unlocked. So guys, there is only 240 codes still available. These are going very quickly, so be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be making an update tutorial if anything does change. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, see ya.